How to enable Circle to Search on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set it up and start using it. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Display. After that, tap Navigation Bar. At this point, look for the Assistant app toggle that says Swipe inwards from one of the bottom corners to open your digital assistant app. Turn that on to enable the gesture. Following this, now you need to make sure Gemini is set as your default assistant app, since Circle to Search only works with Gemini. From here, go back to the main settings page and tap Google. After that, tap All Services at the top of the screen. From there, scroll down and tap Search, Assistant, and Voice. At this point, tap Google Assistant. Following this, tap Digital Assistant from Google and make sure Gemini is selected. From here, once everything is set up, go to any app or screen and swipe inwards from one of the bottom corners of your screen to activate it. After that, draw a circle around anything on your screen, text, an image, or an object, and Gemini will instantly search it and pull up relevant results without you having to leave the app you're in. Finally, tap anywhere outside the search results to dismiss it and go right back to whatever you were doing. That's how you enable Circle to Search on Android. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload.